Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen.
Today we are going to make sweet pongal in instant pot, Sakkarai Pongal. So to make Sakkarai Pongal, we have 1 cup of rice, quarter cup of moong dal, 1 cup of jaggery, powdered jaggery, 6 7 ilachi, 2 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter, 10 or 12 cashews. We will roast it later. First, we are going to soak rice and dal together in water for 10 minutes. Then we'll start cooking. Rice and dal is soaked in water for 10 minutes. Now we can start cooking. Set the instant pot to saute mode for 10 minutes. Once it's hot, we add 1 tablespoon of butter, ghee. Once the ghee is melted, we are going to add cashews. Now the ghee is melted, we are adding 5-6 cashews now. Cashews are roasted now. We are going to add quarter cup of milk and 3 cups of water. Once this starts boiling, we will add soaked rice and dal. Once the rice and dal is cooked, we will add jaggery later. We added quarter cup of milk, 3 cups of water. Now it's boiling. Now we are going to add soaked rice and dal. Remove all the water, soaked water. Now we add soaked rice and dal. Until now, instant pot is in saute mode. We are going to pressure cook this. We can use the same recipe for pressure cooker also. Now we can close the lid. It's in the sealing mode. Can change to pressure cook mode to 10 minutes. It is cooked for 10 minutes. The pressure is gone. We waited a few minutes. We open and see. It is cooked very well. Rice and dal. We are going to mash rice and dal. Cooked rice and dal. Before we add jaggery, we have to mash. We are using the masher, potato masher to mash. Mashed well. We should not mash too much. We should have the texture of rice and dal. We are going to cook in saute mode for 10 minutes. Now we add jaggery, powdered jaggery. We have to mix all the jaggery and rice together. Jaggery is mixed well and cooked for 5 minutes. We powdered cardamom with some sugar to get nice powder. Now we are going to add cardamom powder. It is 1 teaspoon around. Now we add 1 tablespoon of ghee, one tablespoon. Mix well with pongal. Sweet pongal, Sakkarai Pongal is ready in instant pot. You can add more ghee if required. Instant pot sweet pongal is ready. We are going to garnish with roasted cashews on the top. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it useful, subscribe to get instant notifications.